Hey everybody, the point of this video was to connect with everybody and talk about what our projects are over the summer because I wanted to start connecting with everybody about what we can do. The first of these projects is the art of the birds and the bees. So this is something I've been working on with a couple interns for the last few months and we've made a lot of progress with. It really started with the question of how do parents talk to their kids about sex, right? This is a tricky topic, and so we started working together and putting something. So there's a few things that we're doing. We've written like a bit of an academic level dialogue, and we're starting to develop a video series, which is actually why I'm testing this out right now because that's some of what we're going to use for it. So this is a project for those that want to look at how do you develop a curriculum like that, and how do you produce it for people who need it. The next project is the Summer Spectrum Report. So in this project, we're going, how do we take everything we've done over the last 6 months and make that into a tangible document that we can give out to our partners, community leaders, and people that we work with. So we'll be going through and making graphics, we'll be doing large scale stuff and going, how do we take all these major things and put them into one document that we can hand out for the next 6 months. We're also still working on research. So we got a project called the IRB study where we're working with HIV positive individuals to look into prevention efforts. So we've already done some initial one-on-one interviews, and the next step is going to be us getting out our survey and disseminating those amongst individuals and then starting to analyze those results. And then we're going to write that into a literature review. So anybody who's interested in more of the research side, this would be a really good project to get involved with. Next, we have Pride. And Pride's an event that we go to every single year. We always have a booth, but it's time to change it up a little bit. We need to switch what we've always done and make this a new and exciting experience to reach out to individuals on a really fun day of the year. So anybody involved in this team, we're going to be looking at how do we produce a community outreach? How do we make that fun? What can we do? How can we change things up? How can we get people to come and laugh and engage with us and have a good time at one of the funnest days of the year? So in summary, there's 4 main projects that people can get involved with over the summer. So the first of those is going to be the art and the birds and the bees. That's for anybody that's interested in really content creation, helping develop that academic log, making that into common talk, figuring out more of a public health, how do we create and distribute videos. Like I said, this whole thing is just a bit of a test. I'm going to make more videos on this just to see how it feels, but get a chance to play around with this software, see what it's like. We will also, the second project is the Spectrum Report. How do we create a tangible report of our work and show that to the community and show what we've done and put that into a simple pass out pamphlet that we can give to board members, community leaders, etc., to show what we do. So that's a whole different type of project. And then we've got the research. So for anybody that's interested in more academic stuff, how do we do analyzing data? How do we do surveys? How do you disseminate those and pull that into a narrative that will be publishable? So that's one. And the last one is Pride, and that's more of a community outreach public health event. And how do we make that engaging and interesting? All 4 of those are great resume projects. All of those could be used for a summer internship project. So if you're interested in any of the 4, shoot me a message. I'm going to be working on making those into groups over the next week or 2, and we will get everything knocked down. Look forward to working with you. For each of these projects, we will be connecting in crew. I'll make a group for everyone working on that project where we can communicate and share documents. And then we'll probably do a Zoom work session once a week, and all work together. And then a lot of stuff, people will have projects to work on throughout the week, and we'll connect that next week to see how it goes. So a lot of this will be done online, but on your own time. You don't have to worry about coming to the office. And then we'll probably set a couple of in-person meetings to make sure we're all on the same page. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. I'd be more than happy to connect. Like I said, just shoot me a DM and we will get everything put together.